Hey there! Welcome to today's lesson. We will learn about subtraction today. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to subtract 2 and 3 digits and subtract 3 numbers taken 2 at a time. Let's begin. Subtraction means taking away one or more numbers or group of objects from a group. When numbers or objects are subtracted, it decreases. If you subtract 15 from 28, you get 13. If you remove 9 books from 11 books, you get 2 books. When subtracting 2 or more digit numbers, you can either subtract them horizontally or vertically. Subtracting numbers horizontally looks like this. And subtracting numbers vertically, you put them in place values. Remember place values? It is placing numbers in hundred, tens, and units. 2-digit numbers are placed in tens and units. For example, the number 93 has 9 tens and 3 units. 3-digit numbers are placed in hundred, tens, and units. Therefore, the number 184 is 100, 8 tens, and 4 units. Let's subtract these numbers vertically. Subtracting 51 from 63. You place the numbers in tens and units. Subtract the units first, then the tens, giving you 12, 1 tens, and 2 units. Let's try another example. 85 minus 54. You place the numbers in tens and units. Subtract the units first, and then the tens, giving you 31, 3 tens, and 1 unit. When subtracting 3-digit numbers, you also put them in place values, hundred, tens, and units. Subtracting 174 from 285, you arrange them in place values, hundreds, tens, and units. You subtract the units first, followed by the tens, and lastly, the hundred, giving you 111, 100, 110, and 1 unit. Let's try a second example. Subtract 146 from 269. Arrange the numbers hundred, tens, and units. Subtract the units first, followed by the tens, and lastly, the hundred, giving you 123, 100, 2 tens, and 3 units. You can also subtract 2-digit numbers from 3-digit numbers. For example, let's subtract 72 from 188. You also put them in place values. The answer will be 116, 100, 110, and 6 units. We have come to the end of the lesson. Today, we have learned how to subtract 2-digit and 3-digit numbers horizontally and vertically. We also learned how to arrange numbers and write them using place values. Good job for getting to the end of the lesson. It's time to test what you have learned so far.